Alright, here's a real quick video. This is from a Tbr7, a Hawk 250, any other numerous Chinese bike. These have a resistor plug boot, this big clunky piece of garbage. Even if you're reusing the stock coil or you switched over to the Nibbi, this is all still applicable. This just spins off. Boop, boop, boop. There you go. Old boot's off. Throw this thing in the garbage, sit it on a shelf as a spare. You'll never need it, but why not? So here's your plug wire. You don't want to cut the actual copper. Just want to remove the insulation. So ever so carefully, work your way through. Go. Cut about a 1/4 inch of the insulation off, exposing your copper. And now you have your new non-resistor connector for your plug boot. So twist your copper together and you can fold it back like this so that it's making contact, and then crimp this part down over top of the wire, or you could do it this way if you wanted to. Essentially just running your copper through either side like that again, and then you just bend these tabs, bend one down over top of the wire, bend the other one over top of the one you just bent down. Once that's done, you just slide this. You're going to want to add a little bit of grease to this probably. They tend to not slide in real easy. And then just slide this up into the end here, and you're good to go. You now have a non-resistor boot on your plug wire. Obviously, if this was a Nibbi coil, your plug wire would be yellow, but just for example. So that's all. That's how you remove the resistor boot from your ignition system, or add the resistor boot, or add the non-resistor boot to your aftermarket Nibbi coil.